In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add bank details in Zoho Invoice. To get started, open your Zoho Invoice account and make sure you're on the main dashboard. From there, go to the Settings area. This is where you can control how your invoices look and how payment information appears for your customers. Once you're in Settings, click on PDF Templates. This section lets you customize the invoice layout that clients will receive. Next, choose Invoice, and then click Edit. You'll now be inside the Invoice Template Editor, where you can adjust the information shown on your final invoice document. In this editor, find the Payment Options section and click on it. This area is important because it controls how customers can pay you directly from the invoice. After that, click Set Up under Receive Payments. This will take you to the Payment Setup section inside Zoho Invoice. Now, select Online Payments. Zoho will guide you through enabling payment collection so your customers have a more convenient way to pay. Once you've made your selection, click Save and Proceed. This confirms your setup choices and moves you to the next stage. After that, click Start Invoicing. This takes you back into the normal invoicing workflow so you can create an invoice and check that everything is working correctly. Next, click Create Invoice. You can now begin entering the invoice details. Here, enter the customer name, and then fill in the other necessary details for the invoice, such as the items or services being billed. Take a moment to review everything carefully so the invoice is complete and accurate before sending it. You can also add terms and conditions if needed. This is helpful for including payment deadlines, service terms, or any notes your customer should be aware of. Once the invoice details are in place, click Add Payment. Then click Set Up Payment. At this point, you'll be able to choose which bank you want to connect. Select your bank, connect it, and then simply follow the prompts shown on your screen to complete the setup. The exact screens may vary depending on your bank, but Zoho will guide you through the connection process. When you finish, your bank details will be linked so you can receive payments more smoothly through Zoho Invoice. It's a good idea to double-check the payment settings afterward to make sure everything is connected properly and displayed the way you want on your invoice template.